pananakit ng ulo, sipon, ubo, panghihina ng katawan, kawalan ng panlasa at pang-amoy.
There are more than 2.81 million individuals in the Philippines who tested positive for COVID-19, as well as 44,500 records of deaths.
Hahayaan mo bang matamaan ka ng virus?
Let's help and support our frontliners who are facing the pandemic these days. We're all fighting, so let's be with one another in these times.
Kaya tayo ay magpabakuna at huwag hayaang tumaas ang kaso ng COVID-19 sa bansa at sa buong mundo.
Get vaccinated at the nearest shopping and barangay-based venues. For more information, visit the Department of Health and local government and authorities' social media accounts. Sabay-sabay nating harapin, labanan, at lampasan ang pandemya. Ang paalala nito ay hatid sa inyo ng Department of Health 6, manatiling ligtas sa gitna ng pandemya.